Why would you want to build a boat out of aluminium?
The good thing about aluminium is lighter. That's the first choice. First factor is lighter, durable, and stronger.
This one is very light, and that's one is strong, and very easy to build and very easy to maintain also.
It is recyclable.
Okay, so I'm here with the guys at the factory floor. Why, guys? Why would we build a boat out of aluminium?
Thì do nhôm thì vật liệu nhẹ, nó chịu được nhờ cái bề mặt của oxy nhôm nó chịu được cái oxy hóa tốt hơn, chống ăn mòn được, chịu được cái nước biển nó tốt hơn so với vật liệu sắt và thép. Okay.
I have this client, which is an OC guy, and then on the way back to the office, I took a ride with him on their car, and then while I was sitting there, he told me to tell my boss that your boss exactly what I'm saying. I said, all right, I'm listening, and then what he says is like this: good prior planning prevents piss poor performances. From that day until now, the hardest job to do for me is preparing everything, like 80% preparation, 20% of doing the job.
What's going to be the most challenging part of doing this ship build?
The challenging part is the bending of the shell plate going to the bow, because it's a little bit compound.
Yeah, okay.
But we have the machine to do it.
All right.
We have a pattern. We make a pattern.
Can I ever go on that machine?
Yeah. Once we have the plate, and then
all right,
we can do it together.
Don't get me wrong, I don't want to do them all, but I'll give one a crack. All right, top stuff. When's that coming? When the plate comes? So a couple of weeks.
Around that 2 weeks.
All right. All right. Good stuff.
Please subscribe.
Like, subscribe, comment, share the videos around here, mates.
the drawings come from Marcos, the 3D, and Tim puts in all the measurements.
This is the stringer.
Oh, the stringers.
And
Okay.
this is the shell plate.
Okay.
So we put this thing together, the plate and then the
Stringers. So we got stringers and shell plate. It gets worked out on the CAD, then gets thrown, what is it, into a nesting file. It shows us a nesting file. And then there's your nesting file. And then that is then sent to this, which is, each of these is one sheet of aluminium. And then that efficiently puts all the pieces down, allowing for the cut to most efficiently use the aluminium. How cool is that? I mean, it would have been me with a circular saw, with a squeeze bottle of detergent, yelling at someone to keep squeezing the detergent, grinding it, cutting my toes off. How's this for efficiency? Mr. Tin, say hello.
Hello, hello.
Say hello. Going for a bike ride, people. It's a long bike ride, it's 54k. Gonna go check out Vung Tau. I've done about 7-8k so far. All going good. Damn fossil fuels are beating me, people. Well, we'll show them in the Elcano challenge. Almost there, people. Only 40 k's to go. And we got some fish farms, clams, oysters, fish. Extends as far as the eye can see. Can't see any chicks on the beach. Oh, sorry, was that out loud? Watch out, people, Hamas. Gotta have some sustenance, people. Bloody great. If you'd like to be a part of the project or crew, then come and join up as a patron. Nearly all the rewards are trying to get you onto the boat, either for a day sail, a weekender, a week or two holiday, or for the ultimate experience to join us on one of the legs of the Elcano Challenge. There are wonderful places all around this beautiful world that you could come and visit me and the crew to kick back and see what it's really like.